You wake up. Your eyes aren't even fully open, but your hand is already reaching for your phone. Within 60 seconds, you've processed a dozen headlines, 5 emails, and 20 short-form videos. Before you've even taken a breath, your brain has received more dopamine spikes than your ancestors got in a month. By 10 a.m., you're already exhausted. You feel foggy, unmotivated, and physically unable to focus on a single task for more than 5 minutes. Your brain isn't broken, it's been hijacked. To understand why you feel fried, we have to look at your dopamine receptors. Think of these receptors like tiny ears on your neurons. When you bombard them with high-intensity digital noise, social media, hyperstimulating visuals, or processed sugar, the volume is too loud. To protect itself, your brain physically numbs these receptors. This is called downregulation. Now, normal life, like reading a book, working on a project, or even having a simple conversation, feels incredibly boring. You're not lazy. You're just biologically incapable of feeling pleasure from low-intensity activities. You are living in a state of chronic dopamine burnout. So how do you regrow those receptors? It requires a tactical retreat. Research from Stanford University suggests a 24-hour digital fast. This isn't about throwing your phone away. It's about giving your neurochemistry a chance to reset. For one full day, you remove the superstimuli. No scrolling, no gaming, no high-intensity digital entertainment. In the beginning, you will feel an intense itch. You will feel bored. But that boredom is actually the sound of your brain healing. It's during these low-stimulation windows that your receptors start to upregulate, effectively turning the volume of life back up. The secret to peak focus isn't a new app or a smart drug. It's the ability to sit in a room and do nothing. If you start practicing just 10 minutes of boredom therapy every day, where you sit without a screen, you'll notice your focus returning within just 1 week. Your attention is the most valuable currency you own. Stop letting big tech spend it for you. If you're ready to reclaim your mind, join us at the Ageless Brain Lab by subscribing. We bring you the latest simplified neuroscience to keep you sharp and ageless. Stay focused.